Foreign Minister Bilawal Bhutto Zardari has hailed his trip to India as a success, saying that the false propaganda of the Bharatiya Janata Party that every Muslim was a terrorist has been negated. The Foreign Minister made these remarks upon his return to Pakistan from India, where he spoke at the Shanghai Cooperation Organization Council of Foreign Ministers moot on Friday. Indian troops in their fresh acts of state terrorism today martyred 2 more Kashmiri youth in fake encounters in Baramulla and Rajouri districts. The troops martyred 1 youth in the garb of a cordon and search operation in Kunzar area of Baramulla. The troops martyred another youth in the ongoing military operation in Kesri area of Rajouri. Earlier, 5 Indian troops were killed and several others injured in a blast in Kesri yesterday. The operation in these areas continued till last reports came in. Political experts and analysts have said that India has remained the actual spoiler of peace in South Asia since its independence in 1947, and its hegemonic designs posed a serious threat to regional peace and stability. The political experts and analysts in their statements and interviews in Srinagar said the threats to the regional peace have intensified manifold ever since Narendra Modi came to power in India in 2014. All Parties Hurriyat Conference has hailed the statement of Pakistan Foreign Minister Bilawal Bhutto Zardari on Kashmir, terming it a source of strength and encouragement for the people of occupied Kashmir engaged in a just struggle for securing their right to self-determination. APHC Vice Chairman Ghulam Ahmed Gulzar, in a statement issued in Srinagar, said Kashmiris are grateful to the Pakistan Foreign Minister for his candid, clear and bold assertions that Pakistan's Kashmir policy remains unchanged. Posters have appeared in Srinagar and other areas urging the G20 countries to boycott the meeting of the forum being hosted by Narendra Modi-led Indian government in the internationally recognized disputed territory of Jammu and Kashmir. The posters displayed by All Parties Hurriyat Conference on walls, pillars and poles appeal to the G20 countries that they should realize the Modi regime's ulterior motives behind holding of the meeting in the occupied Kashmir. Narendra Modi imposed communal administration in its attempts to Hinduize the occupied Jammu and Kashmir, has renamed a student dormitory after a Hindu deity by removing the name of a local Muslim saint. The authorities in Jammu issued a letter to rename the dormitory located in the city. The new name proposed for the dormitory is Askini House after a Hindu deity. India witnessed the second highest number of attacks on human rights defenders across the world last year. A study conducted by the Business and Human Rights Resource Center has claimed. The study, titled Human Rights Defenders and Business in 2022, People Challenging Corporate Power to Protect Our Planet, recorded 54 attacks on human rights defenders in India. An income tax department official and Indian paramilitary commando were killed in the ongoing violence in the disturbed state of Manipur. The Indian Revenue Service Association in a tweet said that a tax assistant was dragged out of his official residence and beaten to death by some unknown people in Imphal, the capital of Manipur, during the current spate of violence.